In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth not working issues on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and airplane mode is not turned on also. Now, right click on the start button right down here and click on the systems. Now, under Bluetooth and devices on the left hand side, just click on it and go to for the third category here, the Bluetooth. Make sure that it is turned on. If it's off, just click here and it is turned on. Now, also down here at the bottom right corner, click on the Wi-Fi icon and make sure that airplane mode is turned on. Is turned off. If it is on, just make sure that it is. You click on it just to make sure that it is turned off and try to see if the Bluetooth works again. If that does not solve the problem, we also need to troubleshoot the Bluetooth device using the inbuilt Microsoft tools. Just right click on this Windows icon and go to systems again. On the left hand side, click on the system again, then look for troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters. Now under others section, just click on under Bluetooth, you'll see run. Tap on the run button and make sure that you also have the internet connection. So you give it time to let it run and analyze the problem, and it will give you the results. Now here my Bluetooth is working fine, so I don't have any problem detected, but for your case you could get issues like check Bluetooth capabilities. Now if you get such issues, it means that, and you are sure that Bluetooth driver is installed, that means that it could be the issue with Bluetooth hardware. Now to solve the Bluetooth hardware, all you need to do is to turn off your PC, just shut it down and remove all the connected devices, and that includes you removing the power cable. After you make sure that you remove the power cable for the PC, and for the laptop also make sure that you remove the battery. So after you do that, press down the power button for something like 35 seconds and reconnect the devices, and then turn on your PC or your laptop, and that should solve the issue. If that doesn't work, you should also check if the Bluetooth services are working. You can do that by right clicking on the Windows icon again, click on run, and here you type services.msc and click OK. So you are going to look for Bluetooth services, and I can see I have 3 here. Just make sure that you right click on all of them and go to properties, and then the startup type, make sure that you select automatic and you click start and OK. Go to the support, Bluetooth support services, do the same, go to properties, automatic, and then click OK. And lastly, go to that properties, automatic, and then you click OK. Now close that, restart your PC and check if the problem has been resolved. You could also create a Bluetooth a shortcut on the desktop or on the startup, on the start here. Now all you need, open the file explorer and then go to this PC, then double click on the C drive, go to Windows and go to System32, look for System32, double click on it, and then in here under System32 folder you can also find FS Squad, or just search it at the top here. Just type FS like that and select the one with the Bluetooth icon. Right click on it and select pin to start. Or you can as well create a shortcut on the desktop by just right clicking, go to select send to, and then you send it to desktop as a shortcut like so. So when you close that down, you can see you have that Bluetooth there. So you can use this to send and receive files just as usual. Just normally just click on send and you can send a file, receive, and you can receive a file. And another method is by adding a Bluetooth driver in right click on that Windows icon, go to device manager, and make sure that you select the name of the PC like so, and you click on the action tab up above here. Then you click on scan for hardware changes. So that could resolve your problem, because if you are not seeing the Bluetooth icon here, you could end up having it there, and that could resolve the problem. Also, select the name of the PC, go to action again and click on add legacy. Click next, then select the first, make sure that you select the first option, click next, and then click next again. And here all you need to do is to check for Bluetooth. If you can see Bluetooth, just click on it and then click next. Otherwise, just select network adapters and click next. Now on the right hand side, select Intel, and then under model make sure that you can see Bluetooth. Let's see, for my case I'm not able to see the Bluetooth services, but if you can see it, Bluetooth, just click next so that you can start installing the Bluetooth. Now if that doesn't work, you could also reinstall the Bluetooth driver by right clicking on the start window and go to device manager, and then under Bluetooth, all you could do is make sure that all these are enabled. So if you see that it is disabled, just click on enable and do the same for all of these services. And you could also, if it doesn't work, make sure that you update the drivers like so. Select automatic search and close. Do the same for the rest of these drivers. You update and close. And if it doesn't work, just right click and uninstall device, install of them, and then restart the PC. So when you restart, the Windows will look for appropriate Bluetooth devices, drivers, and then reinstall the same. I hope that is all for this tutorial, and all the best.